In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a lead generation funnel in Clickfunnels 2.0. We're going to keep this simple and focused, so by the end, you'll have a basic but fully working funnel that collects emails and sends people to a thank you page where they can access your lead magnet or next steps. First, start inside your Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Funnels and click on it. This is where all your funnels live. To create a new one, click on Create Funnel. When the funnel type options appear, choose a Lead Squeeze funnel. This type of funnel is designed specifically for collecting leads, usually in exchange for something valuable, like a free guide, webinar, or checklist. Browse through the templates, pick one that matches your offer and style, and then click Select Funnel to load it into your account. Once your funnel is created, it's time to customize your opt-in page. You should see a prompt or button that says Customize Now. Click that to open the funnel editor. Inside the editor, locate your opt-in page in the funnel steps list and click Edit. This will open the page editor where you can change your headline, subheadline, images, and text to clearly describe what people are getting when they sign up and why it's valuable. Next, make sure your page can actually collect email addresses. Your opt-in page needs two core elements, an input field and a button. In the editor, add an input element to your form area if it isn't there already. Once it's added, select it and set the input type to Email field. This tells ClickFunnels that this field is specifically meant to capture email addresses. Then, add a button element. Click on the button settings and set its action to Submit Order Form. This connects the button to your form so that when visitors click it, their email address is captured and they move to the next step. Now set up your thank you page. In the funnel editor, use the mini-map or funnel steps list to navigate to the thank you page. Open it, then customize the content to confirm that their submission was successful. Add a clear message thanking them for signing up, and if you're offering a lead magnet, include a download link or simple instructions on how they can access what you just promised. When you're happy with your opt-in page and your thank you page, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Saving locks in all your changes so your lead generation funnel is ready to start collecting emails.